Domestic violence conjures up images of women being beaten black and blue, of blood, of broken bones. It conjures up quite extreme images. If a woman constantly feels scared, disrespected, or threatened, that's an abusive relationship.
The physical abuse is probably 10%. It's more the shouting, the calling of the names, the barging, the spitting, things that you would never necessarily think to do to somebody. I think it's definitely a taboo subject. The girl feels shame if she comes forward, not just on herself, but she may be shaming her entire family.
1 in 4 women on the streets of London has experienced intimate partner violence. Some people that have problematic behavior in their relationships don't use the normal stuff. They don't resort to physically pushing and shoving. Domestic violence can look different in each relationship.
I realised that there's so much more to domestic violence than just physical abuse.
I know a few sisters that it's happened to, and that's what's inspired my poem, Dear Sister. It was about a girl that I knew, and it hit me how she was suffering in silence and made me wonder how many other women within my community were suffering in silence.
As a man, I think it's an onus on me to really see the levels of abuse maybe girls might be going through physically or I think emotionally as well, which is very, very hard to indicate.
A lot of these girls, they didn't want to come tonight because they feel like they're going to be judged. Within our community, definitely the available services aren't known about.
We assist when it comes to helping somebody leave a very difficult situation.
There is actual help out there. There's sheltered homes. There is a number of counselling services. Women can go and speak about this. I think our community needs to come together. I think we're together, we are stronger. I think that we need to show these girls that what they're going through isn't their fault, that there is no shame in it, that it could happen to absolutely anybody. And I think with the backing of your community, your brothers and sisters, you're stronger. Dear sister, why do you cry? Wipe those tears that flow ever so abundantly from your eyes. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Let the wind blow under your veil, feel the sun on your bruised skin. Listen to the birds sing again. Sister, let the good life in.